A small tinfoil wrapper from a piece of chocolate. Some might call it just another piece of trash. I call it a fidgety means to focus. See, I have this thing about texture. It helps keep me grounded, keeps me in the moment. Without it, my thoughts start to form a theoretical tsunami of anxiety, and it washes me out of my body, out of the moment. I'd be left floating in an invisible sea of stressful thoughts that I created for myself. And there would be no rescue party, no one searching for me, because on the outside, I'm fine. With the forced smile and twitchy fingers, yeah, he's totally fine. I am not fine. Inside, I just witnessed a hurricane, and in the wreckage of my mind, I will cling to this little piece of trash. I'll roll it between my fingers until they're raw, making it my own little tinfoil boat so that I can sail back to shore, back into the moment, back into focus, back to being fine. And when I come back, I'll catch them, glances being cast down to my metallic safe haven. It's pretty obvious, really. Then I'll get asked, why haven't you thrown that away? And without looking up, I'll answer, because I don't want to drown.